Here's our spinach that we've grown. So now we're going to pick the spinach. Off you go then, pick the spinach.
Oh, what are we chopping? Is we chopping these in here? No.
Come on, you chefs, help us pick this spinach.
Oh, God.
So now we got to clean it all. The bacon needs just a little bit more of a cook. The ones that are already cooked, you can now cut them up and put them in there.
Can we get a plate?
No, get a plate, get some scissors. So we're now doing the eggs, breaking the eggs. We are cleaning the spinach.
But I think you turned it off instead of on.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Yeah, and that's all going into a pot. There's a little bit of oil in the pot.
Yeah.
Now we're grating the cheese. It's coming on all right. Bacon's cooking well. And so is the spinach. It's beginning to go down. I think, yeah. Oh, look at that. That's coming on good. And now it's really sunk down, look.
What, so it's ready?
Yeah, that's it. Keep it off the bottom. Doing good.
And
you're going to add the egg and you're going to mix it all at the same time, okay?
Okay. So
go on then, in you go. Mix it, give a good stir, really stir it around. Get it all in, really mix it. It's not getting mixed on one edge of that, it don't matter. Right, take the jug away now so you can get in there and really mix it some more.
Should I do it?
So, no, she's doing good, she's doing right. That's it, that's good. Right now then, take the whole thing off now. The bacon needs just a little bit more of a cook. The ones that are already cooked, you can now cut them up and put them in there. Oh, that's lovely jubbly. That's it, nice small bits.
Yep.
Okay, right, you put the bacon in, now we're going to give it a good old mix in.
Brian, can I take these two
those two can, when it's done.
Yes, are we done?
Yeah, she is.
Bernie, are we done?
You'll need someone to help him to share those eggs between the 3 dishes and smooth it out. Yeah, you're doing all right, and then share it all out and smooth it out so that we end up with 3 of those.
Someone else needs to do.
1 minute, let's have a look. Oh yeah, you'll get 3 out there. Let me have a look at that one and see what it looks like.
Think that'll be enough?
You could do a little bit more, and I think that's how it will be. When you've done that one, I think that's what it'll be. Like that. So now we share the cheese out on each one of those, okay? That's it, plenty of it, that's it. That's the way.
Yeah, and
now what we got to do is put them under the grill, but we haven't got a grill, so we've got to see if they go in the microwave.
There's a bath temperature.
There we go, look at that. All done. So we've actually sowed those seeds, grew the spinach, and we've cooked it, and now it's going to get eaten with a bit of luck.